This chocolate bar traveled through machines, factories, trucks, and farms, all the way back to a single cacao tree. Do you know how this fruit becomes chocolate? Let's follow its journey from tree to factory. Before chocolate reaches the world, its journey begins among the cacao trees. Only the ripest pods are selected for premium chocolate. Thousands of pods are gathered during every harvest. Inside each pod are the beans that create chocolate. Fresh cacao beans emerge, protected by sweet pulp.
Fermentation unlocks the flavors hidden inside the bean.
Natural fermentation begins shaping chocolate's character. Drying removes moisture while preserving quality. Precise moisture levels prepare beans for transport. The harvest is now ready to leave the plantation. Now the journey continues toward the chocolate factory. Every shipment carries the foundation of future chocolate. The agricultural journey now meets industrial precision.
Back it up!
Precise positioning ensures safe material handling. The first step inside the factory begins with controlled unloading. Cleaning removes impurities before flavor development begins. Roasting begins unlocking the signature aroma of chocolate. Heat transforms raw beans into rich chocolate flavor. The valuable cacao nib is revealed. Grinding releases the natural cocoa butter within the bean. Precise formulation creates a consistent chocolate recipe. Time and precision create the final texture consumers expect. The liquid chocolate finally takes its familiar shape. Controlled cooling completes the transformation. Each bar is prepared for distribution around the world.
And this is how modern factories produce chocolate from start to finish. Subscribe for more